I want to show you guys an easy way how to open up clams. Alright, first off, I'm going to take these clams, take these like so. I'm going to put these right in the freezer for about a half hour. Okay, put them in the freezer for about a half an hour, and I'll get back to you on that. I'm going to show you how to open them up. Okay, now that they out the freezer, see that they nice and frozen. I'm going to take them and I'm going to lay them out onto a pan. You're going to see what I do next to them. Okay, you want to see what I do next? I'm going to lay them out on the pan and I'm going to pour some boiling hot water on them, and they're going to open right up. Okay, I got my clams laid out. Now I got my water. It's boiled. See that? Okay, I'm going to take that. Take this water. Pour it right over the clams. They're going to open up damn near instantaneously. You'll see in a few seconds. So they starting to spit already. Yeah, they about to open up in a few seconds. Add a little more water if you like. Okay, as you see, some of them starting to open already. See this one right here? See, they starting to open. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is just take my little oyster knife here and just simply open them up. I'm going to show you how. Okay, you simply just take your knife like this. Bam. See that hot water opened them up. That's it. So they open right up. Open it up. Look at that there. You just scrape it out. Boom. There you have it. Now after that, you just do whatever you want with them. You can eat it plain, eat it raw, bake them, grill it, whatever you want to do. Okay, let me get it in the camera so you can see. Okay, there you have it. I'm going to just go ahead and eat one just like that. Plain and simple. Good. Still cold too. There you have it. The simple way how to open up clams. Something easy. You ain't got to be fighting with them. Something plain and simple. Alright, I'll check you next time.